Natalie, sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Say like a diamond. You goofball. Are you gonna sing Twinkle Twinkle? Look at Mommy, not at Erica. Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle? You silly. What's the ladybug say? I have no idea what that is. Natalie, what's the dusty plant say? Achoo. Achoo. What, can you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? You goofball. Erica, you are really distracting her. Can you sing your ABCs? Keep going. You silly girl.
What does Froggy say? What does a froggy do?
Ribbit.